Good morning, students. May God bless you all. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Okay? Yeah. After a long time, we are again meeting, isn't it? Yeah. So, today we'll start with a new lesson, adverbs. What is an adverb? A word which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. Now, first of all, what is verb? Do you remember it? Action words. Any action which we are doing is a verb. If you are talking, singing, that is called a verb. Now, a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. It means the boy is talking quietly. So, talking is the verb and quietly is the adverb. So, it added a meaning to the verb. It tells us how the action is done. How we are doing the action. I am dancing gracefully. So, dancing is the verb and gracefully is adverb. Adverbs help us to describe events. Now see, adverbs can be classified as follows. First of all, one is adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner shows us how or in what manner an action is done. An adverb of manner is how an action is done or in what manner an action is done. Adverbs of manner answer the question how. See, the girls were talking quietly. How the girls were talking? Quietly. So, quietly is adverb and talking is verb. The dog barked loudly. How did the dog bark? Loudly. So, loudly is adverb and bark. He has done the action of barking. So, barked is the verb. She was dressed beautifully. How was she dressed? Beautifully. So, beautifully is an adverb and dressed is verb. Now, adverbs of place. An adverb of place shows the place where an action takes place. An adverb of place shows the place where an action takes place. An adverb of place answers the question where. He is hiding. Where is he hiding? So some place will be there, no? He is hiding behind the wall, behind the table. So that is called the adverb of place. The children followed the teacher everywhere. Where did the children follow the teacher? Everywhere. So everywhere is adverb of place. The teacher has come back. Where did the teacher come? The teacher came back. So back is adverb of place. Let us go out. Where we have to go? Out. So out is place. Now adverb of time. An adverb of time shows us the time when an action takes place. When the action has taken place, that time is showing. So that is called adverb of time. An adverb of time answers the question when. He is going to Mumbai shortly. When is he going to Mumbai? Shortly means after some time. I shall go to the market tomorrow. When shall I go to the market? Tomorrow. I hurt my leg yesterday. When did I hurt my leg? Yesterday. So that is the adverb of time. Now adverbs of degree. An adverb of degree shows the degree of an action of its verb. An of degree shows the degree of an action of its verb. As adverb of degree answers the question how much or how far. See, Sheila runs very quickly. How she runs? Very quickly. Degree is here, very. He writes quite beautifully. How does he write? quite beautifully. The captain treated the sailors much cruelly. How was the captain? How did the captain treat the sailors? Most cruelly. Already quickly, beautifully and cruelly is the adverb there. But very, quite and most is the degree. Okay. Adverb of frequency or number. An adverb of frequency shows how many times an action takes place. How many times an action has taken place? That shows the adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often. I take coffee twice a day. Twice means 2 times. How often he takes coffee? Twice. 2 times. I have seen Lucknow only once in life. How many times he has seen Lucknow? Once only. Only one time. Okay. Interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions about what the verb state. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions about what the verb state. Where do you live? How did you solve this sum? These are interrogative adverbs. Now we'll go to the worksheet. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and name the verbs with which each is used. We were treated kindly. Okay, so here kindly is adverb and treated is the verb. How was he treated? Kindly. So, kindly is adverb. I see things differently. How does it sees the thing? Differently. So, differently is adverb and see is the verb. Then the patient is feeling better. How is the patient feeling? Better. So better is adverb and feeling is the verb. Then he is growing old. Okay. How is he growing? Old. So old is adverb and growing is verb. We must eat our food slowly. How should we eat our food? Slowly. So slowly is adverb and eat is the here which is the action. Eat. He is eating. So eat is verb. The servant is paid monthly. How is the servant paid? Monthly. So monthly is adverb and paid is the verb. Now underline the adverb in each sentence and write its kind. First of all we have to underline the adverb and then we have to write its kind also. First one you see, the boy was walking fast. How was the boy walking? Fast. So how we have seen, if with the question how it's coming, it's adverb of manner. Now they were talking loudly. How were they talking? Loudly. So loudly is how. With the how I ask the question. So loudly is adverb of manner. Most of the time if you see with ly, mostly I am telling, then it will be adverb of manner. In some place it will not be there, but mostly it will be there. He loved her truly. How does he love? Truly. How? With the how I ask the question. So, it is adverb of manner. Let us go out. Where to go? Out. Where? Place is there, no? Where to go? Out. So, adverb of place. Then we sat inside. Where did they sit? They are sitting inside. So inside is the place. So adverb of place. Then next is come and sit down. Where he is telling to sit? Down. Some place is there. Down. Where to sit? Down. So adverb of place. Now next is today I got up early. When did he got up? Early. Sometime is when. With I asked the question with the when. When did he get up? Early. So early. So adverb of time. Yeah, time is there. When did he get up? Early. Next is I hurt my leg yesterday. When did I hurt my leg? Yesterday. Time is there. So adverb of time. Early, yesterday, tomorrow, now. These all are the adverb of time. Then the boy runs very quickly. How does the boy runs? Quickly. Very quickly. Okay. So quickly is adverb of manner. Then he normally gets good marks in exam. How marks he gets? Normally he gets the good marks. So here normally is adverb of frequency. They can stay where they are. Where is there? Already, okay. So adverb of place. They can stay where they are. Some place is there. They are staying in some place. I will do it when I think of it. When? When I will think at that time I will do it. So time is there. When I will think at that time I will do it. So adverb of time. Where is my school bag? Where? And at last you can see question mark is there. Yeah, so adverb of interrogative. I always remember to do my homework. Always. I always remember. So adverb of time. I never used to forget. She shows a sisterly affection. What kind of affection it is? Sisterly. So it is adverb of manner. When does the train arrive? Question mark is there and when is there? So adverb of interrogative. He was too careless. How was he? Too careless. Careless he is, but he is too careless. So adverb of degree, it is showing degree. How is he? Too careless. I have heard this before. So time is there, that before, after time, no? So before he has heard it. So adverb of time. He often makes mistakes. When he makes mistakes? Often. He used to make mistake. So adverb of frequency. Why are you so late? Here late is there. Why are you so late? Question mark is there, that is true, but it is showing the time also. Sorry. Why are you so late?